Welcome back to my channel. So, today is another unboxing video. So, ngayon, mag-a-unbox po tayo ng tada! BOYA BY-MM1. So, let's go straight to the topic. This is the BOYA Universal Cardioid Microphone BY-MM1. This one is, I bought it from Lens Camera. And then, this one is the features. It says here that this one is compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, and etc. So, let's see what's inside the box. Oh, this one. So, this is the shotgun mic. This one. So, matatanggal po siya. This one is the microphone. This is the furry windshield. So, ang purpose po nito is to lessen the sounds. Lalo na kung nagpa-vlog ka outdoor, nalilesen po yung sounds niya, noises. At saka kung malakas yung hangin, napifilter niya, ay napocondense niya yung sound. So, this one, this is the shock mount. This one is the connector. This one from cell phone and to the mic. Dalawa po siya. And then, lastly, tada! This is the pouch para kung magta-travel ka, meron kang lalagyanan. And we also have here the user manual. And then, this is the warranty card. And lastly, silica gel. So now, gagawin po natin ang audio test with the microphone and without the microphone. Let's see kung nafi-filter ba talaga yung sound. So now I will be showing you how to assemble this one and connect it to the smartphone. So, let's connect the microphone and insert it into the furry windshield. And then, we will attach the shock mount. And to the tripod. And then, this one is the tip for the microphone. We'll attach it here. And the other tip for the smartphone. So, it's like this one. So, this is how it looks like. So, dito po tayo mag-audio test. Meron tayong electric fan dito. Kunwari, ito yung hangin. So, i-connect po natin yung BOYA mic. Hello? Hello? Mic test. Mic test. Hello! Welcome back to my channel! So, ito po yung audio test with BOYamic. And ito naman po yung audio test without the BOYamic. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, kayo na po bahala guys ang mag-decide kung mayroon ba talagang difference with BOYamic or wala. So, I will end the video here. If you have any comments and suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and to be updated for more of my videos.